Hello students, this question is taken from part test 2 from the subject power electronics from the topic choppers. In this, a load commutated chopper is fed from 200 volt DC source, which is nothing but the value of voltage source is EDC is equal to 200 volt, has a constant load current of 50 ampere, which is nothing but the load current I0 is 50 amperes. For a duty cycle of 0.4, which is nothing but duty cycle, which is nothing but alpha is 0.4 and chopping frequency of 2 kilohertz. The chopping frequency is 2 kilohertz, and we have to find the value of commutating chopper and turn off time for the one thyristor pair, which is nothing but in this we have to find commutating chopper nothing but C and turn off time of the any one thyristor pair. The circuit for load commutating chopper is this. This chopper circuit consists of 4 thyristor 1 and thyristor 2 and thyristor 3 T3 and thyristor 4 T4. The thyristor T1 and thyristor T2 form one pair and thyristor T3 and thyristor T4 forms another pair, which conducts the load current alternately. And this is the capacitor, commutating capacitor we have to find. So first we'll calculate the capacitor. See, in a constant load current, given constant load current I0, capacitor voltage changes from minus EDC to plus EDC in time t on. The total change in the voltage is 2 EDC. So the value of constant load current is given as 2 EDC into capacitor by T on. From this we want to find the capacitor. So C is equal to I0 into T on by 2 EDC. The formula to calculate T on is equal to alpha into 1 by F. The alpha value duty cycle is given 0.4 into frequency 2 kilohertz. So one will get the value of 0.2 millisecond. The value of TON we substitute in the capacitor. In this value will get the value of I0 constant load current is 50 amps into the value of TON is 0.2 milliseconds by 2 into EDC. The voltage is 200 volt is equal to, after calculating this value we'll get the value of 25 microfarad. In the second step we'll calculate the turn off time. For load commutating chopper, the circuit turn off time for each SCR is given as T off is equal to half of the turn on time. So we know the value of turn on time is nothing but 0.2 millisecond. We'll substitute that value. Half of the turn on time is 0.2 milliseconds. We'll get the value of 100 microsecond, which is the option B. In this session, we studied about how to calculate the commutating capacitor and turn off time for the thyristor pair. Thank you.